So go ahead, put your hands behind your back for me. Both of them.
Kids, please.
Both of them.
Hold your phone.
Stop.
Stop! I can get my kids. Stop!
So your PBT is a .094. Okay. Just your eyes.
Sorry.
Okay.
You have the right to verbally refuse, but she's going to serve you with the warrant.
Okay, well, I verbally refuse.
On June 14th, 2024, in Hustisford, Wisconsin, Deputy Tritt responded to a call from a man called William, whose grandchildren were at his house when they were called by their mother, later identified as Marisa, who was reportedly frantic and eccentric on the phone. However, once Officer Paul and Officer Workman arrived on scene, it quickly became apparent that there was a huge misunderstanding stemming from Marisa's actions prior to the call.
Hello. I'm Deputy Tritt. How's it going?
Rather be safe than sorry.
Yeah, no, totally get it.
Here yet.
Okay, where would she be coming from?
She would be coming from Hartford.
Okay, so it'd take a little bit to get here. Okay, and the kids are here, I would assume,
Yep,
inside?
they're inside.
Okay, who
They're
has...
packed up and ready to go.
Sure, who has full custody of the kids?
She does.
She does? Okay.
So, I understand she's got to get them back.
Yeah.
Concerned about her state of mind.
Sure, no, I totally get it. If she shows up, we'll see who's driving her. So now she's revoked anyways, so shouldn't be driving. So we'll kind of move forward with that, kind of wait to see if she gets here. So I would assume, obviously, she packed the bag. She was okay with kids coming here?
Yeah, and then, well, I'll let you read the text.
Okay.
Because it's...
Do we know if she's been drinking today, or did she do any... Okay.
She was working, attending bar, I think, today.
Okay.
Okay, so... Because when we were talking on the phone, I said, when she said, I didn't know you were taking him out of town. You packed swimsuits for him.
Yeah.
So here's the string from today.
Okay. And is dad of the kids here?
No, she said
With grandparents for the weekend?
they were supposed to be with grandparents for the weekend.
Okay.
He called at the beginning of the week, said she was going to work,
Sure.
and it's been a tenuous situation as it is.
Yeah, sounds messy.
Yeah, and we've been trying to keep it non-messy, but
Okay.
now it's to the point where, okay, she just doesn't care what her kids are hearing. And
Right. Yeah.
so it's like, okay, a normal person, in my mind, doesn't do this. We've both seen things that we never thought people would do.
Yep.
And they did it, and it's like, so.
Okay. And you're the kid's father's dad.
I'm the stepfather
Okay.
of their dad.
Okay. I'm following. Okay. So does he have custody at all of them, or is it like a
According to
weekend
her,
thing?
They live together
Oh, okay.
in a house he pays for.
Okay.
His name's on the title.
Sure.
Hers isn't. But she says she has full custody and that he has visitation rights.
It doesn't make sense.
And it's like, it's kind of screwed up.
Yeah, it doesn't really make sense. Okay. Yeah. So we'll just kind of wait to see if she shows up. I'd be shocked if she sees our squad cars, if she's going to be willing to stop. But if we do see her, then we'll follow her out because we know that she's revoked. So I would assume then the kid's dad knows that they're here and that you guys are going on a trip, right? I would assume. Okay.
I got a text from him. Be on the lookout for Marisa. I left work at 5, stopped at the bar with a coworker. Marisa showed up. If she shows up, just let her take the kids an hour later. So
Okay.
she had been going back and forth between us and him. So.
Okay. Well, we can't get, obviously, you're aware of this, we can't get involved in any custody issues.
Nope.
However, we will make sure if she does show up that, well, first of all, she can't even drive them. And we'll make sure that, there's no impairment, there's nothing like that going on. Obviously, we want the kids to be safe, too, if they leave. So that's just, we're not going to let her drive without a valid driver's license with kids in the car. So if that happens, we'll kind of move forward with that. But other than that, there's really not a whole lot we can do.
No,
but it's just kind of crappy that she said you guys could take them, and then now she's saying that she didn't know about it. So
Right, and it's like, okay, the two of you live together. There should be enough. You would think there'd be enough communication.
yeah.
That, hey, my parents are going to watch the kids for the weekend.
Yeah. Where were you guys going to take them?
Oshkosh to a pool.
Okay, cool. Very cool.
Yeah,
Just for the night, for the day?
for the night, because Father's Day, we wanted him to have Father's Day with
Yeah.
us. So we were going to come back on Sunday so he could have Father's Day with us.
Okay.
And his grandmother passed away.
Okay.
Her celebration of life is tomorrow, so he was going to take the kids for 2 hours to go to that. She said she didn't know about that. It's like,
Okay. I'm pretty sure dispatch got your information, but let me just make sure that I have everything that we need, okay? What's your... I'm sure. That'll be easier.
okay.
I don't spell great, so it'll just be
okay.
easier for me to read it.
And
So she'd be coming from Hartford.
yeah, they live in Slinger.
They live in Slinger?
Yep.
Okay. And they were showed up at the bar in Hartford?
I don't know what bar my son's at.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, he's 35, so.
Yeah, he can do what he wants. He's a grown adult.
And the next, here she comes. And then the next day will be nothing but trouble.
Okay. Good God. $330 for Dodge Mercy's here. Copy 28 when you're ready. Adam. Hello.
Hi.
I'm Deputy Chair with the Dodge County Sheriff's Office. Are you Marissa?
Yes, I am.
Okay, perfect. So what's going on today?
I want my kids.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. I totally get that. Where are you coming from?
Work.
Where do you work at?
What does it matter?
Well, we can ask questions. Where do you work at?
I don't have to tell you where I work.
Okay, so you're at the bar? That's where you work, right?
No, I work at MJ Stevens.
Okay. Okay, you have your license on you?
No, I don't.
Okay, so you're revoked, right?
Probably, yeah.
Probably, yeah. We know that you're revoked, and so you shouldn't be driving if you're revoked, right?
Right.
Okay. So here's the thing. I get it. You want your kids back.
Okay, so my dad will come get them then.
That's fine. So if you're revoked in Dodge County, you get taken to jail for a book and release, okay?
Okay, that's fine. My dad will come get me.
Okay, sounds good. So go ahead, put your hands behind your back for me. Both of them.
Kids, please.
Both of them.
Hold your phone.
Stop.
Stop! I can get my kids. Stop! I want to tell my dad to come get my kids.
No.
Stop. Come on, stop! I want to get my kids. Stop! I get my kids.
You're gonna get more charges. Stop
I
fighting.
don't care. You can do whatever you want. I get to have my dad come get my kids. Why
Let
can't I have
go.
my dad come get
You
my
can
kids?
call him at the jail. Stop.
Get your please get your
No.
supervisor, please.
Let go.
Please get your supervisor. I want my kids here.
Fighting us.
I want to get my.
I don't care.
Go!
Why are you? I want.
Ow!
Okay, that's fine. No, I'm not letting go of my phone until my.
Let go.
No, I'm not. You can do whatever you want. I don't care. That's all right. Do whatever you want.
Here, grab it, sir.
Okay. Why don't you let my kids see this too?
Stop.
Why don't you let my kids see this, Will?
Stop.
No, I'm not. I want my dad to come get my
don't
kids.
care. They're not-
No,
he's not
yeah,
coming
he
right
is.
now.
He is. Yes, he is. They don't get the right to have my kids.
Okay.
Their dad has no right to them.
You're gonna get tased if you
I don't care
stop.
that tased me. Tased me. I didn't do nothing. This isn't even fair to my kids.
Just get on your stomach.
No, I'm not. Oh, all right. Do whatever the you want. This is too far.
Stop.
Well, that's the last time you see your grandkids. I trust. Trust me.
Affirmative. Let's go.
Here, just let me close this one.
No.
Nope.
I can take my kids out of town, but that's a good thing. They can take my kids out of town. That's real nice, and I don't know where they're going. You'd be the same way.
You're getting in.
Can you? I don't want to. Can you just grab my shirt?
What do you
the
need?
hair out of my mouth? If you. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry.
Alright, step out for a minute. Step out for a minute. Stand right here for me. Anything on you?
Oh God, no. Maybe in this pocket something. I don't know what it is.
This one?
Yeah.
Wallet?
I don't know what it is.
Card?
Oh, there you go.
Okay. Hey, okay. Marissa, how much have you had to drink today, okay?
2 drinks.
2 drinks?
Promise.
Okay. Where at?
At work when I left.
Okay. Which bar do you work at? Where is that? And I'm not familiar with that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of like. But when they told me that they're taking my kids out of town.
Sure. I get it. I
Nobody
totally
can
get
take
it.
your kids out
Okay,
of town.
I understand, right? Okay.
So what would you do if somebody's taking your kids out of town?
I don't
Their
have
dad's
kids, so I can't answer that, okay? Okay. Did
So,
you
yeah,
have
you're
any
free.
shots? Because I can smell alcohol on your breath.
No shots.
Okay.
I swear.
You said you had drinks, what kind?
Oh, I had a Captain 7. Yeah, 2 of them.
Doubles, singles?
Singles.
Okay. Have a seat in the car for me. Do you want us to bring your phone with you?
I told me, yeah, just to call my dad.
Okay.
Please have my dad.
So here's the thing. Listen,
I have
Marissa,
to
listen. Just let me talk, okay? If you're cooperative at the jail when they book you in, they'll let you make a phone call, okay? If you don't cooperate with them, they're not going to let you make a phone call. Are you injured?
No.
Do you need to be seen by EMS?
No.
Okay. Keep the seatbelt on you, okay?
I don't even know what's going on.
I
take
know,
my
I
kids and I'm
apologize.
at work.
Okay. Holy hell. Okay, my sunglasses are over there. I'm gonna stay here just in case she decides to freak out.
Okay.
Her phone's there, my sunglasses are there. If they don't want the vehicle on their property, we'll just tow it. Or if they want to park it if we want to park it legally, I don't care.
Oh,
but
definitely gonna just park it right.
okay, can you just grab her phone and my glasses, please?
People can't take your kids out of town and just leave town with your kids. I think he would jump in the car and drive too. I'm at work. Their dad's supposed to be home at 12 o'clock, and then they tell me that he's at a bar and my kids are freaking going out of town. How can that happen to you? You wouldn't let that happen to your kids.
234 Dodge. I see the call comments. I see that it said that we are fine. Just letting you know that we were fighting with her. So she'll be going to jail for resist obstruct.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Can you trust her?
My left one. It's really, really tight. I can't. It hurts
And
so bad.
where are your car keys?
They're just carrying my purse. It's in my purse.
In your purse, okay. You give me permission to go in there and grab it?
Well, just grab my whole purse. They'll drive with it or whatever. Yeah, you can go in there and grab it. Go for it.
Okay. And they said your vehicle is just fine where it's at right now?
No, I don't want it there. I don't want it there. I'll have my dad come get it then.
Okay, but it's going to stay there until your dad comes and gets it, okay?
Why? No.
Where else do you want it towed?
I'll put it on the road.
Nope, you're not going to move it.
Well, can you put it on the road? Come on, she said he would move it for me.
Yep, I moved it where he requested it.
Why? Where he requested it?
That's his property.
That's my car.
Okay, but it's parked on his
Why are
property.
you? What? Can I have my purse?
I will go grab it.
He said, actually, don't go in her purse. Just leave it running. So it is what it is. Just leave it. Okay, that's the last. We're not getting anything else out of there.
And they're not allowed to go in it either. Just let it run out of gas.
This guy's been drinking all day too. The guy that just showed up. That's the dad of the kids.
It's her dad?
No, that's baby daddy's stepdad. But the dad of the small children showed up in that vehicle, and he's been at the bar all day drinking. So.
Okay.
When I told her she was under arrest for OAR, she did not want to go with it and started fighting us.
Okay. Has she been drinking?
Yes.
Okay.
I have odor, like light odor, and she admitted to having a couple drinks.
Okay.
And obviously we watched her drive here.
Odor
But other,
operation,
yeah.
no slurred speech. The parents say she's not acting like herself. Is she willing to do the sobriety test? She can do in the car. You can do HGNC, and you can do alphabet. You can do numbers.
Okay.
She refuses to do all those. Those will towards.
Okay.
We need to at least make sure we investigate the other guy because we can't have her showing up at the jail in PBT and 015 at that
Sure.
point. It's too late. So,
I agree. I was going to talk to him once I got this rolling, but I would agree. I just wasn't sure because, like, I can smell it, but it's not, like, super, super strong. But I would agree with everything that we've got is probably...
because I know we do have... So who's this guy?
Is that her dad or the kid's dad?
I'm guessing the kid's dad if they're going on the...
Because she said that the kid's dad has been drinking all day at the bar.
Go make sure whoever's taking the kids is sober one.
She's not going to go with this. Okay.
He's been drinking.
Stop.
Please,
Stop.
I'm
My
just-
partner is talking to him.
Oh,
Stop.
okay. Well, that's
Chill
all I
out.
wanted you guys to do.
That's what I got out of the car to go do.
Thank you.
Listen
Appreciate
to me.
that. I'm listening.
Calm
Shut up
down.
now. I just thought you were letting him go with the kids.
No.
Whew,
Okay.
Sorry, it's just my kids. I'm
I
scared.
totally understand.
Otherwise,
Listen to me.
I won't be like this.
Listen, okay? So, you admitted to drinking.
Yeah.
Okay? I could smell coming from you.
Yeah,
we
I'm not
watched
gonna
you
lie.
drive the vehicle here. Okay? The family's concerned that you weren't acting like yourself. Are you willing to perform field sobriety test for us?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can tell I've been working. I've been scrubbing in dirt and stuff at my work all day.
How many drinks did you actually have?
Two. I swear. 2 drinks.
Okay.
Captain and
Captain and seven, two of them? Okay.
Captain and 7.
Sure. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you had any recent head traumas?
Car accidents.
How long ago?
4 or 5 years ago.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and it broke my back and everything else. So.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah, but he's been drinking, so please. Yeah,
Yep.
I found him at the bar. That's where I found him.
2:30 for Dodge. I'm checking code time.
Yeah.
Okay.
So his parents want to call cops on me, acting like I'm not.
Listen.
Just
listen.
To your kids.
Okay.
I wouldn't drive.
It's
My
being
dad was
handled.
coming to get him.
Okay. It's being handled. Okay. They're talking to him. Both my partners are right talking to him. Okay. But you gotta calm down.
I know.
Do you understand?
And I'm sorry.
Okay.
But when it comes to kids,
we're trying to
you
be
know,
nice to you.
I know, and I'm trying to be nice back. I just
Okay.
thought you were going to let him get in the car
No,
with them.
no, we
Okay.
are very good, and we're gonna investigate that kind of stuff. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Can you see the light?
Yes.
Just look kind of straight at me. Okay. Can you see my light?
Yes.
Go ahead and tuck your chin just a little bit. Okay. Not that much. Perfect. Okay. With your eyes and your eyes only, you're going to follow the light. Okay. Just your eyes. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have contacts in or anything like that?
No,
Okay.
no, I'm just crying. Wait, all right, never mind.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Just your eyes. Just your eyes.
Sorry.
Just your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, follow it. Just your eyes. Follow it all the way out.
Sorry, I got tears.
Yep, so follow it all the way out with just your eyes.
Sorry, the bugs were hitting you.
It's all good. Mosquitoes just really like me. Follow the light up, just your eyes, okay? Okay. So for the next one, same thing. You're going to just follow the light with your eyes. I'm going to come close to the bridge of your nose, but I'm not going to touch your face, okay? Do you understand that?
Yep.
Okay. So just follow the light.
Sorry, you're going fast. I'm trying.
Just follow with your eyes. Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. Just give me 1 second. So, I've got 6 out of 6 on that. I've never done the alphabet one. I mean, with 6 out of 6, I would say.
Yeah, so
Okay.
she'll give you a PBT.
Okay. Sure.
Sorry.
Is he sober?
Do you want your kid?
Is this her dad?
Yep.
Okay.
Dad.
Perfect. Okay, Marissa. So, sounds like Dad's taking the kids. Okay, that's what I'm hearing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you've been cooperative with us so far, right? You kind of changed
Sorry,
the tune here.
I
It's
didn't
okay.
mean to.
I totally understand. I don't have kids, but I get it. Okay. Are you willing to give us a PBT? So it's just you blow into the tube.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. These dang mosquitoes, I tell you, they're so bad. Have you ever done this before? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're just gonna put your lips around the tube and then just blow out like you're blowing up a balloon, okay? So take a big deep breath and then I'll tell you when to stop. Blow, 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 blow. Okay. Oh,
Sorry.
if you got gum in and you want to spit it out, go ahead. It's not on me, please.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I tried.
It's okay. Don't touch it.
Okay, sorry.
I'll throw it away. Is your
Sorry.
seatbelt locked? You want me to fix it?
I didn't want to do it because I didn't want you to get mad at
You
me.
know what the legal limit is in Wisconsin?
2 something, right? 1 point something, right?
In Wisconsin, it's a 08. What do you think you're at?
Oh, maybe 2?
Do you think that you were safe to drive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh God, yeah. I only had 2, and that was in like a 3-hour period. I was helping scrubbing out. We were scrubbing out pressure washing and spraying stuff down.
So your PBT is a .094. Okay. Okay. So based off of the fact that I have watched you drive. Okay. I could smell the. And the observations that I made when we did the test, you are going to be placed under arrest for OWI. Okay. Okay. 230 for Dodge. Positive, good thing.
Okay.
I don't know if I want to go to Hartford with how up and down she's been. I'll see what she says to ITA, but maybe because Dad took the kids, she'll be
Okay.
better.
So the kids were only here because Mom allowed it. There was a miscommunication.
So
Mom has custody.
She has custody.
Okay.
She packed the bags for the kids to go to for the night, and then today, at some point, she started freaking out and said that she didn't say that, even though she packed the bag for the kids. So
Okay.
I'm guessing because she was drinking, got worked up about it, but that's what happened. So.
All right. Hi.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
224.
Go ahead. Just gonna wait right here while she prints out the rest of the paperwork.
224.
Can I get a lawyer here, please?
I do not need
For
Because I'm not giving my without a lawyer.
okay,
Sorry.
it's not
There's
really
nothing in there.
it's not really the state that it was. She's gonna serve you the warrant signed by a judge.
I get that, but I still don't I still get a lawyer?
Not for this part of it.
There's nothing in my system besides that's fine
Okay.
by me. But here's the thing. I'm not gonna let those people take my kid.
What people?
That had my kid. They took them from me.
Okay.
They were supposed to be at my house.
Okay.
They were taking them out of town.
Okay.
I didn't give nobody permission to take my kids out of town.
Okay. Your kids are with your dad now, right?
Well, now, but not before.
Okay.
So yeah, I was going there with my dad to meet them so my dad could grab my kids. Absolutely.
Officer Workman and Tritt now escorted her to Dodge County Jail, where she would not only be processed, but also be explained the gravity of the situation at hand.
But a lawyer's not here to let me understand all this. I don't understand it.
She's gonna explain the warrant to you. You can have a seat in the chair.
Oh,
So you were arrested for OWI.
yeah.
She read the informing the accused form to you, where she asked you will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test.
After she asked me if I would blow on the breathalyzer, yes.
Yep. You said no to that question.
So what question?
Will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test here?
Yeah, no, I'm not going
Okay.
to.
She applied for a warrant based on that refusal because in Wisconsin, the implied consent law states I have a Wisconsin driver's license if law
I
enforcement.
don't have one though.
But
I don't have a
I'll
Wisconsin
rephrase
driver's
it.
license. I don't have one, so why can you show
It
my book?
advises, the statute actually states you're operating on Wisconsin roadways.
I was traveling to make sure my kids were
Correct.
safe, correct.
So this law states that means if law enforcement at any point asks you for your, you've already given consent. If you refuse it at that point, it's a separate charge, which is the revocation
I
charge.
have a lawyer told me that though. How do I
You can
know
have a
this
lawyer
is
when you have a court date. If none of it's true, it's all on body camera, all on squad camera. You can fight it in court. That's the way the system works. So she's going to serve you with the warrant. The phlebotomist is going to come in here to take your. Okay. Mm-hmm. If you decide to fight with the phlebotomist and somebody here gets hurt,
I wouldn't hurt nobody.
I have to explain this to everybody. Then you'd be looking at another charge for hurting medical staff.
I'm not going to
So
hurt anybody.
you have the right to verbally refuse, but she's going to serve you with the warrant. The lab tech's going to come in and take your.
Okay, well, I
And you
verbally
can,
refuse.
You can contest everything at court.
And I will. Thank
Okay.
you. And I will.
Okay, so this is the search warrant that I got to draw. So everything's in here, okay? And then on here, it's signed by the commissioner himself, and then also by me, okay? So this is home with you. This is your copy. Thank you. So that's yours, and I'm gonna give you the other paperwork. Yep. So this is gonna be the notice of intent to revoke. So those will go home with you too. This one, and then the steps to take after the fact, okay?
Absolutely. Thank you.
And then this is going to be the citation for the OWI. So your court date is July 22nd at 8:30, and you do have to go to court. Okay.
I'll be there.
Do you have any questions on that?
No.
Okay. So that'll go home with you. And then this was the form that I read you. And then it just indicates that you said no, and then signed by me, and then the time that I read it, that you said no. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Marisa was found guilty of resisting or obstructing an officer on a guilty plea. The other two charges were read in but dismissed by the prosecution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more cases like these. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. See you in the next one.